shining stars. How are you all? All are good? Yes, we all have to take extra care of ourselves, okay? Yes, we all need to drink warm water and then healthy food. We all have to eat healthy food, okay? And we all have to do some exercise also, some warm up exercise also. Yes, okay. So welcome to the class. What are we going to do today? Yes, today we have general awareness class. In this class, what we are going to learn? Yes, in this class we are going to continue our concept birds around us. Yes, in last class we learned some names of the birds. Yes, and today also we are going to continue this topic. Okay, yes. So, this concept is given in our general awareness book. Okay, ये concept कहाँ दिया गया है? This concept is given in our general awareness book. Birds around us. Okay, so come on everyone, take out your book. Yes. So first one is eagle. This is eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Then kingfisher. This is kingfisher. K-I-N-G, king, F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Eagle, kingfisher. Then toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N. T-O-U-C-A-N, toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N, toucan. Toucan की चोंच कैसी है? देखो, very long. Yes, so this is toucan. Then next one is puffin. P-U-F-F-I-N, puffin. P-U-F-F-I-N, puffin. Then owl. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. Then next one is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Yes, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Then D-U-C-K, duck. Yesterday we have seen the duck. Yes, white, black and white duck was there. Yes, so D-U-C-K, duck. Then S-W-A-N, swan. S-W-A-N, swan. See, you all can see, this is swan and this is duck. This is swan, this is duck. Now, next page. Next one is cock. Cock भी बोल सकते हैं. Then we all can say rooster also. Okay. Yes. So C-O-C-K, cock. C-O-C-K, cock. Then H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Then P-E-L-I-C-A-N, pelican. P-E-L-I-C-A-N, pelican. Then pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Pigeon, kabutar. Yes. So P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Crow. Ka. Yes, that is crow. C-R-O-W, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Then parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Then bluebird. B-L-U-E-B-I-R-D, bluebird. This is bluebird. Next one is bluebird. Then next one is hudhud. H-U-D, H-U-D, hudhud. H-U-D, H-U-D, hudhud. Yes. Then next one is canary bird. C-A-N-A-R-Y-B-I-R-D, canary bird. C-A-N-A-R-Y-B-I-R-D, canary bird. Then sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. G. Yes. their names in the given circle. Yes. So first bird is, who is here? Yes. This is owl. So owl starts from letter O. Then here we have parrot. Parrot starts from letter P. Then here we have pigeon. Pigeon starts from letter P. Yes. Then here we have cock. Then this is crow. Yes. So rest off for your fun work. Yes. ये सब आपको खुद से करना है. Okay. So what we learned today in this class? Today we learned about some names of the birds around us. So we all have to practice all these names of the birds. Okay. So now we will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye everyone. God bless you all.